Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to Maths class. In the last class, we discussed the formula for Sn. The first formula is Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d if the AP is given. The second formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an where the first and the last terms are given. Sometimes Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l also we will use. L is the last term. Instead of an we can use the letter L. And the last formula is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 for all the natural numbers sum if you wanted to find out. Now we will move on to the third main. We completed 4 sums. We will do the next sum. Sixth question. The sixth question is a equals 2, d equals 8, Sn equals 90. We have to find out n and an. So here it is given Sn equals 90. What is the formula for Sn? Where a and d are given. So we'll use the first formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 90. N by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 8 is equal to 90. Once again n by 2 into 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. Now this denominator 2 we have to cross multiply to the other side. So this will become n into first 8n 4 minus 8 minus 4 is equal to 2 will be cross multiplied to the other side 90 into 2. Now we will multiply n into 8n square minus n into 4n is equal to 180. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Throughout the equation we will divide it by 4. Divide by 4. 4 into 2, 8. So 2n square minus 4 ones are 4. So 1n minus 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. We have a common factor 4. Every term we divided by 4 and simplify the equation. And now this is a quadratic equation. Last year you learned a quadratic polynomial. What is a quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial having degree 2. So as we have written is equal to 0, this is a quadratic equation. Last year we used to factorize for quadratic polynomial and we found out the factors. How we did that? Here 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Here the product should be 2 into minus 45. And the sum should be minus 1. We have to find two numbers where the product should be minus 90 and sum should be minus 1. That is, last year we learned the factorization PQ, P plus Q. You are remembering that PQ. Product is minus 45 into 2. That is minus 90. And sum P plus Q is minus 1. Which two number when you multiply we will get minus 90 and sum as minus 1. That is minus 10 into 9, 90. Same way minus 10 plus 9 it is minus 1. So we'll change this as 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. We'll take common from these two terms. 2n is common. So here n is remaining. 2n into 5 is 10 plus here 9 is common. 9 into n minus 5. 9 5s are 45 is equal to 0. So now we will write n minus 5 in one bracket. Another bracket 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we got two factors. Each factor we will equate to 0 and we will find the value of n. The first factor is n minus 5. So n minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 5. The next factor is 2n plus 9 equals 0. 2n equals minus 9. n equals minus 9 by 2. As we all know, n should be a whole number, should be a fraction or a negative number. So n is equal to 5. So we got the value of n. N is 5. Don't consider the negative number or fraction. Now we have to find out an. So we'll write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 5, so a 5. We will write directly a plus 4d. A equals 2 plus 4 into d is 8. 2 plus 32 is equal to 34. So a is 34 and n is 5. Now the seventh question is a equals 8, an equals 62, Sn equals 210. We have to find out n and d. As Sn, an and a is given, we will use the second formula. First, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus a. This formula we will write. Sn is 210. N we have to find out. A is 8 and an is 62. 210 is equal to n by 2 into 62 plus 8, 70. So here 2 and 70 we can cancel, 35. So n into 35 is equal to 210. N equals 210 by 35. 7 table will cancel. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. 0. 5 6 are 30. Therefore, n equals 6. So we got the value of n. Now to find the value of d, we can either use Sn formula, the first formula, or an formula. First we will use an formula. Any one of the formula we can use. An equals 62. An formula, I will write a plus n minus 1 into d equals 62. A is 8. N is 6. 6 minus 1. D we should find out is equal to 62. 8 plus 5d is equal to 62. 5d equals 62 minus 8. 54. 5d equals 54. D equals 54 by 5. As it is not divisible, we will leave it like this. D equals 54 by 5 and n is equal to 6. Now the eighth question is an equals 4, d equals 2, Sn equals minus 14. Find n and a. An equals 4, d is 2, Sn is minus 4. An is also given, Sn also given. We will start with an. First we will write an equals 4. An formula will write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. A is not given, n is not given, d is 2. We will apply only d value is equal to 4. A plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n is equal to, minus 2 will take it to the right side, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. A plus 2n equals 6. We'll leave this equation as it is. We have a and n in this equation. Now we will go to the next one. Sn is equal to minus 14. Here Sn is equal to minus 14. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to minus 14. Here this 2 we will cross multiply to that side. N into 2a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 14 into 2. Here 2an plus 2n square minus 2n is equal to minus 28. See, here we got an equation in terms of a and n. Here also the same way we got equation. So to solve this type of equation, we cannot subtract. No term will cancel. So what we have to do is, in the first equation, which is the simple equation, from that we will write, here I will write A equals 6 minus 12. I'll change this equation as A equals 6 minus 12. Write it as equation number 1. Here, where A is there we will write 6 minus 12 in this equation. So, this equation becomes 2n, I'll write first, into this A becomes 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 plus 2n square as it is, minus 2n, minus 28 will take it to the left side, plus 28 is equal to 0. Now we'll open the bracket. 6 into 2, 12n minus 4n square plus 2n square minus 2n plus 28 is equal to 0. Now minus 4n square plus 2n square become minus 2n square. 12n minus 2n become plus 10n plus 28 is equal to 0. First we will change the negative sign. First term should not be negative sign. Here also we have to factorize. We have to apply PQ, P plus Q. Before that we have to change the negative sign from first term. So throughout the equation you have to multiply with a negative sign or negative 1. Multiply with minus 1 throughout the equation. So minus into minus become plus 2n square. Again minus into plus become minus 10n. Minus into plus become minus. So whenever we will solve a quadratic equation, the first term should be always positive. So throughout, multiply with a negative 1 or negative sign, change the sign. Now it is in the correct form, quadratic equation form. Here we can divide each and every term by 2. We can simplify the equation. So divide by 2, n square minus 5n minus 14 equal 0. The same way how we did in the last question, product is minus 14. And sum is minus 5. Which two number when you multiply, we will get product as minus 14 and sum as minus 5. Minus 7 into 2, minus 14. Minus 7 plus 2, it is minus 5. So we will change this as n square minus 7n plus 2n. Minus 7 plus 2, minus 5. Minus 7 into 2, minus 14. Minus 14 equals 0. Here n is common. N into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 equals 0. N minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. Each factor equal to 0. N minus 7 equals 0. N equals 7. N plus 2 equals 0. N equals minus 2. Minus 2 we won't consider. N is always a whole number. So we got the value of n. We have to find now a. To find a, we can substitute n value in the first equation. I'll write once again the first equation. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. A equals 6 minus 2 into 7 equals 6 minus 14 equals minus 8. A is minus 8. So here this type of question comes. You have to find A equals 6 minus 2n and substitute the value of A in this equation. If you take n is equal to, we have to write 2n equals 6 minus a, n equals 6 minus a by 2. Calculation will be more. So we are taking in a simple way, substitute and get the value of n, then find the value of a. Next, the fourth question is, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636? How many terms of the AP? How many terms means we have to find out n. So how many terms in this AP will add and we will get the sum as 636. Sum is 636. Sn is 636. So n we have to find out. Sum is already given. Now from the AP we will write A is 9. D equals A2 minus A1. 17 minus 9. 8. Now, Sn is given. We have to find out n. Sn formula we will write. Sn is equal to 636. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 636. N by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 636. This 2 we have to cross multiply to the right side. n into 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636 into 2. n into 8n plus 18 minus 8, 10 is equal to 636 into 2. 6 2s are 12, 7, 12, 1, 2, 7, 2. Now we will multiply n inside the bracket. 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. Here throughout the equation we will divide it by 2. 2 is the only common factor. So divide by 2. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Here also we have to apply PQ, P plus Q, but product is a bigger number. So here 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. PQ is minus 636 into 4. Here I'll write PQ equals minus 636 into 4. So this will become 6 4s are 24, 14, 2544. Product is itself 2544 and sum is plus 5. We have to get the sum as 5. Such type of numbers directly we cannot find out which are the two numbers. By multiplying we will get this number and sum is 5. So we will factorize this 2544. 2544 we will factorize, prime factorization. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 6 are 636 we will get. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 18, 2 9s are. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So here as 53 is a prime number, we will stop the division factorization. Now we will multiply these numbers all together. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 4, 24, 2s are 48. We will get 48. So product of these many numbers is 48 and this is 153 is here. Now you see, anyway when you multiply all these numbers, we will get the product as 2544. Now we wanted to check whether how to get sum as 5. See here 53 minus 48, whether it is 5? Yes. So the two numbers are, one is 53 and one is minus 48 because we wanted to get plus 5. So how can we change the equation? Equation can be written as 4n square plus 53n minus 48n and the last number is 636 is equal to 0. So I will interchange these two terms so that we can take common. First 4n square, then minus 48n, then 53n minus 636 equals 0. So here in 4 and 48, 4 is common, 4n is common. Here n minus 4 into 12, 48. Here the same way 53 is common, n minus 12 equals 0. So here n minus 12 in one bracket. Next bracket 4n plus 53 equals 0. Each factor equate to 0. N minus 12 equals 0. Therefore n equals 12. Here when you equate to 0, 4n plus 53 equals 0. 4n equals minus 53. N equals minus 53 by 4. That we won't consider. Therefore, when we add 12 terms in this AP, the sum will be 636. The fifth question is, the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. First term is 5, A equals 5, last term is 45, so AN equals 45, sum is 400, SN equals 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Number of terms is N and common difference is D. So here we will use Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An as A and An is given. According to what is given, we will use the formula. So here 400 is equal to n we have to find out A 5 plus An 45. So here 400 equals n by 2 into 50. So here we'll cancel, we'll get 25. N into 25 equals 400. N equals 400 by 25. 25 16s are 400. Therefore, n equals 16. After getting the value of n, we have to find the value of d. So, we'll use an formula. An equals 45. A plus n minus 1 into d equals 45. A is 5. N is 16 equals 45. 5 plus 15d is equal to 45. 15d is equal to 45 minus 5. 15d equals 40. D equals 40 by 15. 5 3s are and 5 8s. D equals 8 by 3. Now the 8th question is, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second term and third terms are 14 and 18. Find the sum of 51 terms. Sum of 51 terms we have to find out. Given that second and third terms are 14 and 18. Second term is 14 and third term is 18. Here, to find out directly A3 minus A2, we can do find out D, or we have to expand the equation and find the value of D. A2 can be written as A plus D is equal to 14. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 18. We'll subtract the equations. A and A will cancel. Minus D is equal to minus 4. D is equal to 4. Now first equation once again we will write A plus D is equal to 14. A plus 4 is equal to 14. A equals 14 minus 4, 10. Now we want to find the sum. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We want to find the sum of 51 terms. S51 equals 51 by 2 into 2 into a is 10 plus 51 minus 1 into d is 4. 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4. That is 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200 equals 51 by 2 into 220. Cancel 110. 51 into 110. 51 into 11. 561 and this 0. So sum of 51 term is 5610. The 9th question is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Here they had given the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. Sum is denoted by S. Sum of 7 terms is denoted by S7. So sum of 7 terms is 49 and the same AP sum of 17 terms is 289. We have to find the sum of n terms in this AP. So here we will expand this equation. We know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how can we write S7? S7 can be written as 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. This 2 we will cross multiply. 7 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 2. This 7 either we can multiply inside the bracket or we can divide. We will divide it. 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 2 by 7. 7 cancel. 2a plus 6d is equal to 40. This is our equation 1. Similarly, second equation S17 can be written as 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. 17 into 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2. 2a plus 16d equals 289 into 2 by 17. 17s are 289. So, 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. This is equation 2. So, now we got two equations having the value of a and d. We'll subtract the equation. Equation 1 minus 2. First equation is 2a plus 6d is equal to 40. Second equation is 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. Equation 2. Subtract the equation. Change the sign. 2a will cancel. 6 minus 16 minus 10d is equal to minus 20. D is equal to minus 20 by minus 10. It is 2. So, D we got. Substitute the value of D in one of the equation. First equation I will write 2a plus 6d is equal to 40. 2a plus 6 into 2 is equal to 40. 2a equals 14 minus 12 equals 2. A equals 2 by 2 equals 1. So, we got the value of A and D. We want to find Sn. So, Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn we want to find out. So, n as it is n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. N by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 and minus 2 will cancel. N by 2 into 2n. 2 and 2 will cancel. N into n, n square. So, Sn equals n square. Tenth question is, show that A1, A2, A3, etc. form an AP where An is defined as, your second question, An equals 9 minus 5n. So, we have to show that A1, A2, etc. An form an AP. An is given and also find the sum of first 15 terms. We have to find the sum of 15 terms of the AP. So, as An is given, to find the sum, we want an AP. To find the terms of the AP, instead of n, we have to substitute 1, 2, 3, etc. So, instead of n, when we write A1, here in the left side, n become 1. Right side also, we have to write n as 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So, A1 is 4. To get the second term A2, instead of n, we have to substitute 2. A2 equals 9 minus 5 into 2 equals 9 minus 10 minus 1. One more term we will find out. A3 equals 9 minus 5 into 3. So, it is 9 minus 15. It is minus 6. So, A1, A2, A3 all the term we got. Therefore, AP is, first term is 4, second term is minus 1, third term is minus 6, etc. So, here once again I will write A is 4. What is D? D equals A2 minus A1 equals minus 1 minus 4. It is minus 5. Now, we want to find sum of 15 terms. So, Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As we want to find sum of 15 equals 15 by 2 into 2a. A is 4 plus 15 minus 1 into d is minus 5. 15 by 2 into 8 plus 14 into minus 5. 15 by 2 into 8 plus into minus minus 70. 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70 minus 62. Cancel. This is 31. So 15 into minus 31. It is minus 465. Sum of 15 terms is minus 465. That's all for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.